Okay, today we're going to do the Microsoft Word tutorials. Go to this PC and click on the document folders and look for the tutorials Microsoft Word folders. Inside the Microsoft Word, where you can see a lot of the document here, the first thing that you need to do is to open up the Microsoft Word tutorial step-by-step PDF files. Just double click it and we're going to start to do the document production tutorials. Now, you are going to edit a document about a company selling small tree. The company name is called Root Trainer, and it's located in the Canada, which is the address and followed by the contact numbers. Now, the first task that you need to do is, we're going to start the step-by-step page layout. The first task that we are going to do is to load the file spec2.doc using Microsoft Word. So we go back to the tutorial files here and we open up the spec2 document. Double click it. Okay, now go back to the questions. Okay, now set the top and bottom margin to 3 cm, left and right to 3 cm. Now, as you're aware that there's a red words, that is the step-by-step guide. Okay, now page layout, margin, and custom margin. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the page layout and followed by the margin and followed by the custom margin to do the margin setting. Okay, now go back to this documents. So what we need to do is that we go to the layout here. Okay, we go to the margin and we go to the custom margin. Right now, so top and bottom is 3 cm. Left and right is 2 cm. And click OK. Now we are done with task 1. Let's go back to the questions and followed by the task number 3. Right, set the page orientation to portrait. Right, and where should we go? The step-by-step stated down here is page layout, orientation, and go to the portrait to do the portrait setting. Okay, so we go to the layout again, go to the orientation, and we select portrait. Right, you can see that now the documents already change it to portrait size, right, instead of the landscape. Okay, we are done. Now we set the page size to A4. Page layout, right, the first step is page layout followed by size and A4. Now, and you can see that there's a screenshot here. Right, we can do all this followed by the screenshot. Now we go to the page layout, which is tabbed, size here. Okay, and we change it to A4. Now, as we can see that I have screenshot this. Right, this is the total, is the page setups screenshot. You can just click here. As I said that this is the tab and this is the page setup groups, and all these are the commands, which is all the setting here. There's a shortcut ways to do all the setting under the page setup. Just go to the corner here, click here. Right, now you can do the margin setting, you can do the orientation setting, and followed by the page size setting too. And we click